When tigers and jaguars crossbreed, the mystery of ligers and tigons. Throughout history, humans have been fascinated by hybrid creatures, animals that seem to defy nature by combining the traits of two powerful species. Among the most intriguing hybrids in the animal kingdom are ligers and tigons, the result of crossbreeding between lions and tigers. Ligers, the offspring of a male lion and a female tiger, are the largest big cats on Earth, growing far beyond the size of either parent. Meanwhile, tigons, born from a male tiger and a female lion, are smaller and much rarer due to genetic limitations. But what makes these hybrid cats so unique? Why do ligers become so massive, while tigons remain closer in size to their parents? And could these hybrids ever exist in the wild? Or are they purely the result of human intervention? This is the story of ligers, tigons, and the fascinating science behind hybrid big cats. Liger, the largest big cat in the world. The liger holds the record for being the largest feline on the planet, growing significantly bigger than both lions and tigers. Some ligers have reached over 12 feet, 3.6 meters, in length and weighed more than 900 pounds, 408 kilograms, almost double the size of an average lion or tiger. But why does the liger grow so much larger than its parents? The answer lies in genetics, the science behind the liger's massive size. Lions and tigers have a unique genetic interaction when it comes to growth regulation. In lions, male genes promote growth because, in the wild, large males are more likely to dominate and reproduce. In tigers, the female's genes regulate growth, preventing excessive size because tigers are solitary animals, and massive size could be a disadvantage for a mother raising cubs alone. When a male lion and a female tiger breed, the resulting liger inherits the father's growth-promoting genes but does not inherit the mother's growth-limiting genes. This genetic imbalance allows the liger to grow continuously, reaching enormous proportions. Ligers also inherit a mix of physical traits from both parents. They have the muscular build of a tiger but the social nature of a lion, making them more sociable than tigers. Their fur is tawny like a lion's, but they have faint tiger stripes along their body. Some ligers develop a mane, though it is usually smaller and less developed than that of a full-grown male lion. Because of their incredible size and unique genetic makeup, ligers have no natural equivalent in the wild. They can only exist in captivity. Tigon, the rare and smaller hybrid. While ligers are massive, their counterparts, tigons, are much smaller and rarer. A tigon is the result of a male tiger breeding with a female lion. But unlike ligers, tigons do not experience excessive growth. Why do tigons stay small? Unlike ligers, tigons inherit growth-inhibiting genes from both parents. Male tigers do not pass on growth-promoting genes, meaning the cub does not inherit the same drive for massive growth as a liger. Female lions carry strong growth-limiting genes, which further restrict the cub's size. As a result, tigons remain similar in size to their parents, typically weighing between 400 and 500 pounds, 180 to 230 kilograms, about the same as a large tiger or lion. Tigons also display a mix of lion and tiger traits, but they often look more tiger-like than ligers. They have shorter, more compact bodies compared to ligers. Their coats are usually more orange with prominent black stripes. Some male tigons develop small manes, though they are less pronounced than a lion's. Tigons are less common than ligers because female lions are less likely to mate with tigers, and breeding them in captivity is more difficult. Do ligers and tigons exist in the wild? Ligers and tigons do not naturally occur in the wild for several reasons. Lions and tigers have different habitats. Lions live in open grasslands and savannas, while tigers inhabit dense forests and jungles. Their paths rarely cross. Lions are social, while tigers are solitary. Even if a lion and a tiger encountered each other in the wild, they would likely avoid mating due to their different social structures. Size and dominance conflicts. Lions and tigers are both dominant apex predators, and interactions between them often lead to aggressive fights rather than mating behavior. However, in rare cases, hybridization could theoretically happen in captivity. particularly in reserves or zoos where both species are kept together. The genetics and health challenges of hybrid big cats. While ligers and tigons are fascinating creatures, their existence comes with significant health challenges due to their unnatural hybridization. Fertility issues. Many hybrid animals, including ligers and tigons, suffer from infertility, while female ligers and tigons are sometimes able to reproduce. Males are almost always sterile, meaning they cannot produce offspring. Health problems. Because they inherit a mismatched genetic blueprint, ligers and tigons often experience severe health issues, including joint and bone problems due to their excessive size, organ failure because their internal systems struggle to support their abnormal growth, shorter lifespans, as hybrid animals often do not live as long as their purebred counterparts. These challenges raise ethical concerns about the deliberate breeding of hybrid big cats in captivity. While ligers and tigons are impressive to look at, their creation is purely for human curiosity rather than conservation efforts. Other big cat hybrids, the lesser-known crossbreeds. Ligers and tigons are the most famous hybrid big cats, but there have been other rare big cat hybrids recorded throughout history, including leopons, a hybrid between a male leopard and a female lion. Leopons are smaller than lions but have spotted coats with a slight mane. Jaglions, a cross between a male jaguar and a female lion, resulting in a powerful feline with jaguar-like rosette markings. Tigons, the result of breeding a liger with a tiger, making them even more genetically complex than a standard hybrid. These hybrids are even rarer than ligers and tigons, and their existence further showcases the genetic flexibility of big cats, but also the risks involved in creating unnatural species. Conclusion: the fascinating but controversial world of hybrid big cats. Ligers and tigons are some of the most unique big cats on Earth, showcasing the power of genetics and hybridization. While ligers grow massive and display the best traits of both lions and tigers, tigons are more compact and rare due to their different genetic inheritance. However, their existence is purely the result of human intervention, as lions and tigers would never naturally breed in the wild. Their health complications, infertility, and ethical concerns make their breeding a controversial topic among conservationists. Still, these hybrid cats continue to fascinate the world, standing as living examples of nature's genetic mysteries. But in the end, they also serve as a reminder that some creatures are meant to remain separate, each ruling their own kingdom in the wild. Ligers and tigons are fascinating hybrids, showcasing the unpredictable power of genetics. But their existence also raises ethical concerns. Should humans continue breeding them? Or should these animals remain a scientific curiosity rather than a conservation effort? What do you think? Should ligers and tigons exist? Or are they a mistake of human interference? Let us know in the comments. And if you love wildlife mysteries, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Wild Diary Florence for more in-depth predator analyses.